In this level, you'll learn to play the open E minor chord. It includes your middle finger and your ring finger. To grab this chord, place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. Then add your ring finger to the 2nd fret of the D string. So, counting from the thinnest string, your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret of the 5th string, and your ring finger goes on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. This is the open E minor chord. To play it, you strum all 6 strings. The following lessons will teach you to grab this chord one finger at a time, which is a great way to learn and develop your muscle memory. But if you want, you can skip the first lesson and jump straight to the lesson that teaches the full chord. Good luck.